Hey gearheads and history buffs. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to explore a true classic, the 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine. This wasn't your average car, it was a British racing legend, a technological marvel for its time, and let's be honest, it just looks downright cool. Key features and performance. Show footage of the E90 AJS Porcupine. The Porcupine, built by AJS Motorcycles, was a lightweight sports car designed to conquer the racetrack. Under the hood, you'll find a 995cc single-cylinder engine that might sound small by today's standards. But back in 1949, this little powerhouse could punch out a surprising 45 horsepower, enough to propel the car to a top speed of around 100 miles per hour. That's impressive considering the car weighed a mere 1,100 pounds. One of the Porcupine's most distinctive features was its innovative all-aluminum construction. This kept the weight down, allowing for superior handling and agility. The suspension was independent all around, which was unheard of for most cars in that era. This meant the Porcupine could hug corners like no other, giving drivers a truly exhilarating experience. Design and uniqueness. Show close-up shots of the car's design elements. Let's not forget about the Porcupine's head-turning design. The open-wheel cockpit with its motorrad-style fairing screamed, racing machine. The minimalist bodywork was all about function over form, emphasizing the car's lightweight nature. But the name, Porcupine, doesn't come from nowhere. Those distinctive exposed tubes in the bodywork, those were actually designed to act as crumple zones in the event of a collision, a very forward-thinking safety feature for the time. A balanced take. Show footage of the car driving. Now, the Porcupine wasn't without its quirks. Being a lightweight racer, it wasn't exactly comfortable for everyday driving. Imagine bouncing down the road with minimal suspension and no roof. Additionally, with only one windshield wiper, driving in the rain must have been an adventure. But that's part of the charm of these vintage machines. They were built for a different era, a time when driving was a raw and exhilarating experience. Conclusion. Show final image of the E90 AJS Porcupine. The 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine is more than just a car, it's a rolling piece of history. It represents a time of innovation and daring design in the automotive world. While it might not be the most practical car for today's roads, it's a reminder of the passion and ingenuity that goes into building truly special vehicles. So, if you're ever lucky enough to see a Porcupine in person, take a moment to appreciate this unique piece of automotive heritage. Call to action. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the AJS Porcupine. Would you dare to take it for a spin? And if you're interested in learning more about other fascinating classic cars, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos.